Think you're nailing your push-ups? Hold on, because there's a very good chance you're doing them wrong and quietly wrecking your shoulders, your wrists, or even your lower back every single rep without realizing it. Beat. In fact, most people don't even know that the push-up isn't a chest workout. It's a full body stability test, and your form reveals everything. Leans forward. So here's the big question. If I watch you do 5 push-ups right now, would your form pass or completely fall apart? Don't worry. Today, I'm going to show you the right way to do push-ups, step by step. And I guarantee you'll finish this video doing the best push-ups of your life. Collision Section 1. Common mistakes build curiosity. Let's start by exposing the push-up sins almost everyone commits. First, the sagging hips. You look like a hammock. Your spine screaming. Your core is on vacation. Second, the chicken wings. Your elbows flare out to the side like you're preparing for takeoff. Sure, it feels easier because your shoulders are taking all the damage. Third, half reps. If your chest isn't getting close to the floor, that's not a push-up. That's a suggestion. Fourth, the neck drop. Your body stays up, but your head dives down like you're trying to kiss the floor. Instant recipe for neck pain. Smirks. If you're guilty of at least one of these, congratulations, you're normal. But fixing them? That's where the magic happens. High Voltage Section 2. Hints about proper form. Here's a little secret. A perfect push-up doesn't start with your arms. It starts with your core. Imagine a skyscraper. If the foundation is shaky, it doesn't matter how strong the top floors are, everything collapses. Your body is the same. The stronger your midsection stays locked in, the stronger and safer your push-up becomes. And here's another hint. Your hands, they shouldn't be under your chest or under your shoulders, but somewhere much more strategic. I'll show you exactly where in just a moment. Fire Section 3. Begin simple. All right, let's build this in the ground up. Step 1. Hand placement. Place your hands slightly wider than shoulder width. But here's the trick. Angle your fingers forward. Spread them out and imagine gripping the floor. This activates stabilizers instantly. Step 2. Shoulder position. Pull your shoulders back and down, like you're trying to tuck them into your back pockets. This protects the joint and engages your lats, your push-up secret power source. Step 3. Core alignment. Squeeze your glutes. Brace your core like someone's about to poke your stomach. Your body should now form a straight line, head to heels, like a perfectly balanced plank. Raises eyebrow. Remember that skyscraper analogy? This is your foundation. Gear Section 4. Intermediate fixes. Now let's dial this in. Fix number 1. Elbow angle. Forget flaring out. Forget tucking in tightly. Aim for a 30 to 45 degree angle. The biomechanical sweet spot. Your joints will love you. Fix number 2. The descent. Lower yourself slowly, like you're sinking into wet cement. This builds control and keeps the chest engaged instead of dumping all the load into your shoulders. Fix number 3. The bottom position. Stop thinking chest to floor. Think sternum to right above the floor. Your chest should almost touch. Your body stays tight and nothing collapses. Rocket Section 5. Advanced tweaks. This is where push-ups go from basic to elite. Advanced tweak 1. Screw your hands into floor. Not literally, unless you're super strong. But imagine turning your palms outward without actually moving them. Your chest fires harder. Your shoulders stabilize. Instantly stronger reps. Advanced tweak 2. Pack the neck. No more dropping your head. Imagine holding an orange under your chin. That's the alignment that protects your spine. Advanced tweak 3. Full body tension. This is the secret pros use. Flex everything. Your legs, your glutes, your core, even your quads. A push-up is a whole body contraction, not a chest press on the floor. Brain light bulb moment. Here's the aha moment. If your push-ups feel harder after fixing your form, that's good. It means you're finally using the right muscles. Bad push-ups feel easy. Great push-ups feel honest. Checkered flag Section 6. Recap the perfect push-up. Let's recap the entire movement in one clean checklist. Hands slightly wider than shoulders. Shoulders pulled back and down. Core brace, glutes tight. Elbows at 30 to 45 degrees. Lower with control. Chest close to floor. Press back up without losing alignment. That's a perfect rep. Every time. Fire final challenge plus encouragement. Now here's your challenge. Drop down and give me 10 flawless reps, using everything you just learned. Don't rush. Feel the difference. Your body will tell you immediately when it's right. And hey, if this felt good, or if it completely changed the way you think about push-ups, keep going. Practice these cues every day, even for just a few minutes. Great form builds a great body. You've got this. Keep pushing, literally, and I'll see you in the next one.